Now we start with 1 hour chart. Okay, if we refer to our analysis, we were expecting the price to drop, and now, as we can see, the price almost take the trend line. Now we want to see whether we can look for buy or not. Okay, as we can see, if we want to look for buy, we need to look for the breakout of this trend line to get the buy setup. But this is what we get, but I don't think this is a buy setup because this one mostly can expect, I mean, we can expect to get one more drop. Okay, anyway, we start with higher time frame daily chart. All right, as we can see, based on daily chart, we have been within down move. Okay, most of the chart we see this one, and now we want to see how long we will be within this. This one can change the big correction, or still we can expect for the continuation to break the top. And in this case, we move to forward chart. All right, based on forward chart, one thing I need to highlight here that even for most of the charts we have, we were looking for to put this one relative to this for running flat before we get the next move. Okay, and now we see the price almost came to the trend line. Trend line is indicative. All right, even if there is a possibility that this one can, as we can see, as I pointed on based on 1 hour chart, this one can be a correction for one more drop. Okay, that means if the price drop, still we can adjust the trend line. What I want to say that if you're looking for the running flat, as long as the price haven't broke this low, okay, still we can consider the running flat, which is 225.2. That means still we can expect this one to drop. And if there is a breakout, what I expect the continuation, the price can drop to 27. Not exact, but somewhere around that. All right. By the way, we're looking for running flat. That means if we get any reversal from now, we look for buy. And the only thing is we just watch out this whether this one can break or not. Okay. And in this case, we'll move to 1 hour chart. All right. Based on 1 hour chart, right now we don't have any trade setup. Okay. The only thing is we want to this correction is this is the start of the up move or it can give us one more drop. For sure, if it give us one more drop with the breakout, maybe we can get look for the reversal with a flag to look for buy. But right now, if you want to look for buy, the only way we can wait for the sharp move with the breakout of this trend line. Then from there we look for buy. Okay, having entry, if we want to have entry above the top, the first things we put above here, which is 32.6. All right, we make it 32.7, or traders they can put above here. Any of them they can, I mean, doesn't matter which one they put, or 32. Okay, but having entry above this top, we don't recommend it. And what we want, so we want when we have entry above the top, we want the price sharply tag and break and continue. But the only thing is, if we want to have entry above here or here, this is what we want the price sharp move sharply. Okay, I think if we look for the breakout, then the flag can give us better trade setup. And having entry above this, I mentioned we are not really interested because this one can tend to move with the correction easily tag and drop because at that time we will have a flat. All right. Anyway, we don't have any proper trade setup right now. The only thing is we're looking for this, whether we can get any more one more drop or the price can start from here. And we mentioned how we can look for trade. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update or changes or even any trade setup that can conform for the next move, then I will share. Thanks.